Welcome to Acmefil Engineering Systems Private Limited, where innovation meets precision. With over 24 years of industrial experience, we've been setting the standard in engineering excellence, crafting cutting-edge solutions for industries worldwide. Our evaporators are designed with one goal in mind: to optimize your processes. Each unit is meticulously engineered to deliver maximum efficiency, whether you are in the food, chemical, or pharmaceutical industry. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, we ensure that quality is embedded in every step of our manufacturing process. At Acmefil, precision is our hallmark. Leveraging the latest and most advanced manufacturing technology, our evaporators undergo rigorous testing to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Every weld, every component, is a testament to our commitment to excellence. Our evaporators are built to handle your toughest challenges, from concentrating liquids to removing water. With energy efficiency and reliability at the core, we help you achieve more with less. And with our dedicated team of over 20 professionals providing after-sales service, installations, and commissioning, you're never alone. Behind every evaporator stands a team of experts, dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As a process designer, supplier, manufacturer, and exporter of drying and concentration equipment, we don't just build machines, we create solutions tailored to your unique needs. Our OEM spare parts and maintenance contracts ensure that your operations run smoothly, year after year. Acmefil Engineering Systems Private Limited embodies the true meaning of Acme, the highest point of perfection. Today, we strive to fill the gap between the present and Acme, delivering evaporators that not only meet but exceed industry standards. Contact us today to learn how our evaporators can transform your operations and take your business to the pinnacle of success.